Hi, good day. I'm Joel C. Mabero Jr., 30 years old, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I'll show you the 5 standard cuts of whole dressed chicken. Before I proceed to cutting, I'll show you how to sharpen my knife using a honing steel in 45 degrees angle. Now, let's proceed to cutting. These are the 5 standard cuts of whole dressed chicken. The wings, drumstick, the thigh, the breast, and the backbone. That's all. Thank you.